How to fix always on display not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn on show always. Open settings, scroll down, click on lock screen and always on display. Now here you will see always on display. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on always on display from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart again, click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open settings, search do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb. Now here you will see do not disturb. And if you want to turn off do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off do not disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix always on display not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.